Hey guys, AI is everywhere. From recommending your next binge watch to self-driving cars, it's changing the game. Now, AI is putting on a suit and tie because it's entering the world of law. You might be thinking, robot lawyers? Like something out of a sci-fi movie? But this is real life. AI is already helping lawyers do their jobs faster and smarter. Imagine a world where legal documents are analyzed in seconds, not hours. Where finding the right case law is a piece of cake. That's the potential of AI in law. But hold up. Before we hand over the gavel to robots, let's break down what this really means. So, what exactly is AI in law? Think of it as a superpowered legal assistant. It uses algorithms and machine learning to do tasks that used to take lawyers forever. This includes things like legal research. AI can sift through mountains of documents to find exactly what you need. No more all-nighters for law students. Contract review. AI can spot errors and inconsistencies in contracts faster than you can say breach of contract. Predicting case outcomes. AI can analyze past cases to give you an idea of how your case might turn out. Basically, AI is here to handle the boring stuff and let lawyers focus on the important stuff, like arguing in court and fighting for their clients. Now let's talk about the good stuff. How can AI make the legal system better for everyone? Faster and cheaper AI can automate tasks, which means cases can move faster and lawyers can take on more clients. This could make legal services more affordable, especially for people who can't afford expensive lawyers. More accurate. AI doesn't get tired or make mistakes like humans do. This means fewer errors and more accurate outcomes. Fairer system. AI can help reduce bias in the legal system. For example, it can ensure that judges are sentencing people fairly, regardless of their race, gender, or background. Sounds pretty good, right? But before you get too excited, let's look at the other side of the coin. Section 4. Hold on. What could go wrong? While AI has the potential to revolutionize the legal profession,